stocks getting a lift from positive economic news. And then after the bell, Hewlett-Packard weighing in with earnings. For more details, let's go to Michele Steele at the New York Stock Exchange. Michele?
Hey, Pim. Good evening, everybody. HP posting personal computer sales that did top some analyst estimates after the bell today. However, fourth quarter revenue in HP's server and storage business dropped 17% to about $4.2 billion. Otherwise, we did have a strong rally really across the board today with both stocks worldwide and commodities prices gaining. Let's take a look at the numbers if we can. The Dow closing up nearly 133 points. The S&P 500 also clocking in higher, and the NASDAQ seeing some gains as well, up about 30 points. The Dow, by the way, up as much as 160 points at one point today. Now, I don't know if we can. Maybe we can look at the VIX too. Let's find out. Yes, we can. The volatility or the fear index moving lower today, actually the lowest reading of the year. But buyer beware here. Kevin Corona, market strategist with Stifel Nicholas, says what may be interpreted as strength in commodities or equities prices can just as easily be seen as weakness here in the dollar. You know, that said, we did have a positive reading on housing stocks, kicking things off for us today. Sales of existing homes increasing 10% in October to the highest level since February of 2007. We also had the president of the Chicago Fed, Charles Evans, telling the FT that interest rates in the U.S. may stay near zero until late 2010, maybe even later than that. Now, as for what sectors led today's rally, telecom and energy. AT&T, Sprint, Verizon all getting a boost. Barron's actually reporting that AT&T may be undervalued amid concern that its exclusive contract for the iPhone in the U.S. may expire next year. Financials, meantime, posting a 1.5% gain on the day. Goldman gaining after its fourth quarter earnings were raised by Sanford Bernstein analyst Brad Hintz, who said he expects the firm to reduce its compensation expenses. So Goldman bankers listen up. Zions Bancorp, meantime, clocking in with the biggest gain in the S&P 500. And quickly, I want to mention for tomorrow, we do have third quarter GDP out, the Case-Shiller Home Price Index, as well as consumer confidence, all on the docket tomorrow. So, Pim, very, very busy on the economic front. Back over to you.
Thank you very much. Michele Steele reporting.